Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your whole iPhone. First, it's crucial to back up all your important data. You can do this easily using iCloud or by connecting your device to a computer. Make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery life or keep it plugged in. Also, remember to disable Find My iPhone and sign out of your Apple ID to ensure a smooth reset process. These initial steps are vital for protecting your information. Now, let's move on to erasing your iPhone's content. Open your Settings app, then tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, choose Erase All Content in Settings. Your iPhone will ask for confirmation and may require your passcode. This action will completely wipe your device, returning it to its factory default state, so be absolutely sure you've backed up everything. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone will restart and greet you with the familiar Hello screen. At this point, you have two main options. You can choose to set up your iPhone as a completely new device, starting fresh. Or, if you backed up your data, you can restore everything from your iCloud or computer backup, bringing back your apps, photos, and settings. To summarize, resetting your iPhone is a straightforward process, but preparation is key. Always back up your data first, disable Find My iPhone, and sign out of your Apple ID. Once you've erased all content and settings, your iPhone will be completely wiped, ready for a fresh start or to be restored from a backup. This guide helps you confidently reset your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.